Okay, Kevin, do you want to take part A?
Okay.
Okay, you tell me. Should I rewrite something first before I do part A?
Yes.
Okay, which one?
The 1/2 e power x one.
Yeah, so I put 1/2 e to the power of what?
Negative x.
Negative x. Okay, so I want the gradient function. I find the derivative. Okay, so Kevin?
3ex power 2.
Then the next one?
You don't have to change it.
Copy down the whole thing. That's all. I don't have to do any other thing. Do I need to, Kevin?
No.
No, Kevin. This is the for exponential term. You copy down the whole thing. You have to do something else. You forgot about this. Kevin? So what should I write here?
Multiply the f prime of the power.
Yeah, what is the f prime of the power? The power is
1, negative 1.
Yes. So you have to know this is negative 1. So remember this one. Are you clear? So it will be 3ex squared minus 1/2e to the power of x. Okay? Okay, part B. Okay, part B. Brandon, are you back? Brandon Ho? Okay. I can't get Brandon Ho. Okay. Avika? Advika, can you tell me what to do with part B? Can I straight away differentiate it? Avika?
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
I can.
No, you have to expand it first.
Yeah, I have to make it to 2 terms first. Am I right?
Yeah.
So can you tell me how to make it to 2 terms?
Learn x plus learn brackets 5 minus x to the power of 3.
Okay. After that, should I do something further?
No.
No. You sure no?
Yeah.
Can I
think
write
so.
this as like that? You think so? So you look at the
3
formula.
learn.
Yeah.
3 learn brackets 5 minus x.
So that you don't have to do for x cube derivative.
But miss,
Am I
can
right?
you don't you only write it after when you differentiate it, or you can write
No.
before?
This is to simplify. I haven't differentiated yet. I haven't find
Oh.
the gradient function yet.
Okay.
I write it in the form that is suitable for me to find the gradient function. Then only I start to find the gradient function. Okay, what is the gradient function for the first term? What is the derivative of ln x? Avika?
1 over x.
Okay, the reason is because x and the derivative of x is 1. How about the second one?
Plus 3 1 over 5 minus x.
Are you sure? Yesterday, Ms. Do said you must write the bottom first. Am I right?
Yeah.
So what is the derivative of 5? It's 0. What is the derivative of negative x?
-1.
Yeah, -1. So you see, do the bottom first, then only do the top. So it will be 1 over x minus 3 over 5 minus x. Okay, now I just want to ask you, if there is a student who give me this answer, do you think this is the same answer? Do you think this is the same answer?
No,
No.
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 Because 5 is
Johan,
it's not the correct answer.
why is not the
because-
correct answer? Johan, you tell me.
Because the 5 is not negative. It's positive.
Johan,
Yes.
you see the difference?
Oh, sorry.
I alter the order.
Oh, okay.
See or not? I alter the order. You can.
So it can be
Yeah, it can be this one also. Nothing wrong.
nothing wrong. Okay, got it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So part C. Should I do something to part C first before I get the derivative of it? The first term, I don't have to do anything. How about the second term? How about the second term? Adil Aiman.
Yes,
Should I do something to the second term?
yes. Simplify it first.
Okay, tell me the simplified version of it.
E to the power 3x plus x to the power of 1 over 2.
Yeah. Okay, square root is power half. Okay, why we write that? So that we can differentiate easily. Okay, so now we find the derivative of hx. Okay, thanks. Okay, Brendan, are you back?
Yeah. Sorry,
Yeah, Brandon?
I got toilet just now.
Okay, Brendan, tell me what is the derivative of negative x?
Negative x one wait. -1 no?
Okay, yeah. I'm not saying you are wrong. I'm just asking. Okay, how about derivative for e to the power 3x plus x to the power half?
Wow. 3x plus x to the power half.
Brendan, look at this one.
Or copy down the whole thing first.
Yeah. So why when you see this, you have to remember, copy down the whole thing first. Then
And then
mm,
is it
just tell me now.
3 and wait
3.
3 over 2 is it?
Why 3 over
x,
2?
I don't know. I'm very confused.
You confuse yourself. What is the derivative of 3x? It's 3.
3 yeah.
Then what is the derivative of x to the power half?
Negative half.
Hey,
Mama?
hello.
Ayo.
You tell me how to be negative half? How to be x to the power negative half? Where is your this one?
Wait. The x power the half is separated from 3x, is it? Or is it
Definitely, it's a plus.
Wow, I'm very confused.
You keep saying confused got use. You see there is a plus. So you have to apply this formula again. You know, bring down the power, multiply by the power of x, take away 1. Done.
Oh. Wait. Okay. Wait. Copy down.
What copy down? Do it by yourself. Copy down.
This one very like 我脑很残哎。
Don't speak in Mandarin.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. So it's a matter of you don't keep saying confuse yourself. You recognize the term, then you apply the formula. You understand or not? Your mind must be very focused. Okay. So the rest, are you okay? Everyone okay? Okay. So can I move on to something that new that I want to discuss with you today?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just
So-
leave the answer like that.
Yeah, you can leave the answer like that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
If you want to rewrite, you also can rewrite as like that. It's up to you lah. So it's -1 plus. Okay, this one you want to write back as like this also can. Then this one you write 3 plus 1 over 2 root x also can, depend on you. If you don't want, you just leave it like that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay. So now I want to discuss 3 questions with you, something to do with that, but I said the question in a different way. Okay. Given y equal to 2 ln 5 minus x and the gradient at point A is -2/3. Part A. Find the coordinates of point A. Part B. Hence, find the equation of tangent at point A. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so I try to sketch the graph and let you have the visual of it. Yeah, so okay, so this is a graph of my y equal to 2 ln 5 minus x. You agree with me? Andy Siti Haja? Is there anything wrong with my graph?
No, Miss.
How you know it's no?
Because the 5 minus x must be more than 0. So x cannot be 0.
X cannot be 0. Why not? X is 0 1.
More than 0, more than 0.
Why x must be more than 0?
5 minus x more than 0.
Yeah, 5 minus x more than 0. So why there is no graph over here?
X must be more than less than 5.
X must be less than 5. Okay, correct. So X equal to 5 is the vertical asymptote. Thank you. So my graph is correct. So now I don't know where is my point A. But what are the information of point A that I know? So this is the point A. Okay, I mark this point. Okay, maybe my point A is here. I don't know. Oh, sorry. Okay, maybe my point A is here. Okay, what information you know about point A? Yeah, what information you know about point A? Cindy. Read the question. The question says given y equal to 2 ln 5 minus x and the gradient at point A is negative 2/3. So how do you interpret this? How do you write this? How do you write this part into a mathematical equation? Cindy, try. How do you put it in a mathematical equation? Because anything in maths, correct, you must be able to translate the information into a mathematical equation, then only you can solve. Agree with me?
Yes.
So how to do it? How to put this? How to put this information? Gradient at point A is negative 2/3. When you say gradient, when you talk about calculus, the moment you see the word gradient, or rate of change, straight away you write what? Cindy? Okay, Cindy, you look at here. Find the gradient function for each of the following. So what do we write?
The prime thing.
Yeah, the prime thing. Or here I put y, correct? So you will say dy dx.
Okay.
See or not? So you must be able to interpret. That's called interpret the question. A lot of us fail to answer the question is because the moment we see this, we don't know how to write in maths language. Then we fail. Correct? So when I see part A, I want to do part A, I use the information given. This is a function. So then they say at A, dy dx is equal to negative 2/3. So I interpret that. So now what should I do next? So what should you do? Next step, what will you carry out? Okay, Esther. Esther?
Yes.
Yeah, next, what will you do? You want to find the coordinate of x. So what must you do? You know the gradient. So this is your unknown. You don't know this. So can you find that? You ask yourself.
Negative 2/5 minus 4.
Yeah, so you must find that. So what do you need to do? You take this function, then you integrate. Am I right? You differentiate, correct? So you have dy dx. So this is 2, 5 minus x. integrate, why am I keep saying different? The rate of change of negative x is -1. So you got -2 over 5 minus x. Correct? So at point A, what is the value of this whole thing? It tell me it's -2 over 3. So now can I solve? So now can you solve for x? Please, exam don't write this. Can you? So everyone, can you solve for the x coordinate of A? Yeah.
Teacher,
that-
why the two LM suddenly disappear one? I don't understand.
Where got suddenly disappear? This is the way to find the rate of change of the ln function.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Sorry, I want to shout already. I asked you to memorize the formula, you don't want to memorize. Where got suddenly disappear? That is the way to find the derivative of a natural log term. Okay, so you got that, so you solve for it. So can someone tell me what is the answer? Gladys, you get the answer?
X equals to 2.
Yeah, you are right. So I can do it like that. -2 divided by -2. I switch the place equal to 5 minus x. Depend on how you solve. It doesn't matter to me. Yeah. So this one I will get 1. So 5 minus x equal to 3. So my x equal to 2. So when I get x equal to 2, I want to know y, right? So y will be equal to 2 ln 5 minus 2. I sub the x. So I got 2 ln 2. So therefore, my coordinate A is 2 ln 2.
Miss, isn't it 2 ln 3?
Yes, 2 ln 3. You are right. 2 ln 3. Thank you. So now you see, you
Miss-
failed. Yes,
Can't you simplify to ln 9?
can. You can. Up to you.
Okay.
Okay. So ready for the next one? Okay. So can I move to the next one? Can I? So now when I say tangent, okay, this word, tangent. Okay, so tangent is a straight line that touches the curve. So this is called the tangent. Okay, tangent at point A means it's a straight line. So tangent, the moment you see the word tangent, you know, is a straight line that touches the curve at A. Okay, so if I want to find the equation of a straight line, so if I want to find the equation of a straight line, right? So you still can recall how to find the equation of a straight line?
Y equal to mx plus c.
Yeah, so we go on a straight line. So equation of a straight line, you have two options. You can use y equal to mx plus c, or I I can also use y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1, correct? So it's your choice. So I will leave it to you. There are two ways of doing it, okay? So now, for both methods, you must have the point and you must have the gradient, okay? So our point A, we know the coordinate of point A, correct? Yeah, Hafiz, what is the coordinate of point A?
2 ln 9.
2, okay?
2 ln 3 or 2 ln
The
ln
y is ln 9, okay? If you want it to be like that, up to you. Okay, then what is the gradient at
negative
point
2
A?
over 3.
Negative
2 over 3.
2 over 3. So now what we do is we put into our y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to m x plus c. So from here, you get your c. So it will be ln 9 plus 4 over 3. So therefore, the equation of tangent is y equal to m x plus, write down your c. Are you okay? So to do this is the same thing. Y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. So this one, you don't have to rewrite this step. You straight away can get the answer. So if you want to rearrange it, your choice. So I leave it to you. You want to use option 1, option 2. All right? So when you see Okay, class, I have problem with my Zoom just now. I don't know what happened. Never mind. Okay. But that one, so that means your today class will be in two recording. I don't know what happened. It suddenly kicked me out. Okay. Can you all hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Miss.
miss.
So, but at last we finished discussing the question, correct? Okay. So now you try to do this question by yourself. Can or not? Okay. So you just follow the process, how to find the equation of tangent. Okay, the step. So first you must get the gradient first. So you must get the gradient function for the curve first. Okay. So the step will be, yeah, because this one I didn't give you the gradient. So first, get the gradient function. Then second, find the gradient at x equal to -1. Then third, find the y coordinate when x equal to -1. Then fourth one, then only you put into y equal to mx plus c to find c, or you straight away put into this one. Okay. So these are the steps that you have to follow if you want to find the equation of tangent. If you are done, let me know. I didn't give you a very difficult function here. So you follow the step, you should be able to get the answer. Done. Okay. We have friends who are done. Okay, let's go through step by step. Okay, Javashini, can you please tell me what is the gradient function for this given function?
3x square minus 2x.
Okay, so after that, what should I do? Javashini?
Do you sub in the -1?
Yeah, so I say x equal to -1. So if you want to make yourself know that that is a gradient of a tangent, you can write the word gradient of tangent. You see, if you are the word person, you better write. So gradient of tangent. If you are not a word person, then you can just write m equal to or you write dy dx also can, because your mind can interpret. So -1 square minus 2 times -1. Okay, Jawashini, what is the answer?
5.
5. Okay, thank you. Okay, next, what must I do? Yeah, Johan.
Find the
I've done
gradient
with
at x equals to -1. So replace
Yeah.
the x with -1.
X equal to -1, so I get my y coordinate, correct?
Yes.
Minus -1 square plus 5. So this is -1 minus 1 plus 5. So you have to be very careful. So this is equal to 3. Okay. Then up to you, the fourth step. So you have the point already. Then you have the gradient. That is 5. So you put into your y equal to m x plus c. So the c is equal to 8. So therefore, equation of tangent, y equal to 5x plus 8.
Yep.
So you see, when you talk about finding equation of a certain thing, okay, there is a step to follow. You have to memorize the step. Are you clear?
Yeah, these are 4 steps to get the
Equation.
yeah.
Yeah, the fourth step is to get the equation of tangent. So before you can get the equation of tangent, you have to go through first, second, third step first. So you have to know how to work around with it. Okay?
Okay, so
Okay. So let's talk about another question. Let's talk about another question. Okay, if I give you a question like that, I say, okay, given, okay, fx is equal to e to the power of 2x minus 4x. Okay, so I want you to find the equation, the equation of a horizontal. Now there's something extra. Horizontal tangent to the curve y equal to fx. Okay, so I don't even give you a point, but this is a very special tangent. What are tangent? What are tangent? Okay, horizontal tangent. So what is the meaning of horizontal tangent? Okay, let me visualize it for you.
X equal to 0
Y equal to 0?
because
Why x equal to 0? You tell me.
it doesn't touch the x-axis.
No, horizontal tangent. Why? What do you mean? It doesn't touch the x-axis. Let me illustrate this for you to see. Okay, then you will know what is the meaning of horizontal tangent. So this is my curve. If you use your graphic calculator, you'll get roughly like that. The right hand side is steeper, the left hand side is less steep. So look, if I take the lowest point here, I draw a tangent. This tangent will be parallel to the x-axis. So this is called the horizontal tangent. Tangent that is parallel to the x-axis. This is called horizontal tangent. Are you clear? So if the tangent, so usually you will pass through the turning point. You will touch the turning point. The tangent that is touching the turning point. So now can you tell me what is the gradient of this tangent?
0.
Yes. So when the moment you see this word horizontal tangent, so you straight away tell yourself horizontal tangent its gradient is 0. So if its gradient is 0, at this point, I name it point B, for example. So I ask you, what is the value of dy dx at B? What is the value of dy dx at B? Yeah, Nicholas?
Pardon?
What is the value of dy dx at B?
Equal to y.
Huh? dy dx represent what? dy dx represent what?
Or the gradient.
dy dx represent the gradient. Horizontal tangent is gradient is 0. So what is the value of dy dx at B?
0.
Yeah, lo. So everyone, please remember, the moment I ask for horizontal tangent, straight away you know, you have to tell yourself that dy dx is equal to 0 for horizontal tangent. Are you clear? So can I find the coordinate of point B now? Can you find the coordinate of point B? So how to find the coordinate of point B? You tell me. How to find the coordinate of point B? Okay, how to find the coordinate of point B? Nick, no, Shazana.
Differentiate the function.
Yeah, so yes, I have to differentiate the function first because I must get f prime x first, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so I have to differentiate this function first. So you see, it looks simple, but you have to know the step. Okay, I have to differentiate this function first. Okay, so what is the derivative of e to the power 2x? Nick, sure.
Copy down the whole thing and multiply by 2.
Yeah, copy down the whole thing, multiply by the 2. Kavan, you know why you need to multiply by 2?
Yeah, I know.
So Kavan, next one. Take away what?
4. Take away the
4.
x.
The 4. The derivative of negative 4x is negative 4. Correct? Okay, so now what should I do next? I have to come back to this one. Am I right? Because the word horizontal. So I equate this equal to 0. So remember, gradient of a horizontal tangent is 0. Okay. So next step, what should I do? Safwan?
If 2e to the power of 2x equal to 4,
Yeah, so I have to make it to a single exponential term first to the left-hand side and single number at the left-hand side, correct?
right,
Then,
e to the power of 2x equal to 2.
then only I can change it to Safwan?
2x equal to e to the power of 2. Wait. NaX.
E always relate to ln. Hello. So you have to remember e to the power x equal to k. So x equal to ln k. That kind of things. Safwan?
Yes.
Yeah, so 2x equal to ln what?
Ln 2.
Ln 2. So what is my x?
Ln 2 over 2.
Yeah, so we try to write half ln 2, okay? Are you clear? Okay, so now horizontal straight line. What is the how do you name the equation of a horizontal straight line? So the coordinate x for b is half ln 2, correct? So do I need to use y equal to mx plus c? No need, because horizontal straight line, the equation is y equal to a number. So where is this number come from? The y coordinate of b. So how to get the y coordinate of b? How to get the y coordinate of b, Sarafina?
Substitute x into the equation.
Yeah, the function itself, correct? So now I look for f negative half ln 2, sorry, half ln 2, correct? So I put into here. So E. So you see, am I going to sub in x or am I going to sub in 2x? Which is easier, you think? Do I know the value of 2x here? I know, it's ln 2, correct? So if I write here ln 2, can or not? Because
Teacher? Teacher, are you there? Teacher, you're breaking up.
Okay, class, I don't know what happened to my Wi-Fi today, okay? So the last part, okay, we will, okay, this one, I think I don't have to record, so the last part you just